We'd have nothing to worry about then.
There's really nothing to worry about, Mary.
We got nothing to worry about. The lawyers will take care of it.
There's really nothing to worry about, I promise.
What's gonna happen to you?
Nothing for you to worry about, little man.
There's nothing to worry about. I'll visit often.
Just relax. And remember, there's nothing to worry about.
It's gonna be great, Luis. You got nothing to worry about.
Yeah, I'm the boss.
Nothing to worry about then.
Oh, I didn't say that.
We have everybody. There's nothing to worry about.
I'm sorry I had to wake you. I'm just looking for a doctor. There's nothing to worry about.
You got nothing to worry about. You'll show up and sweep her off her German feet.
Paid no attention to my face. Softball injury, nothing to worry about. Good morning, Alan.
Take care of our kids.
Marianne, you got nothing to worry about.
It's nothing to worry about. It's perfectly safe.
There's nothing to worry about. Just have Amy call me if you hear from her. Thanks.
You have nothing to worry about. All those stories are highly exaggerated.
You think so?
Of course!
Whoa, slow down, little fella. There's nothing to worry about.
Oh, he's scared to death.
Dad's in the army. They move him about a lot. That's all it is. There is nothing to worry about.
You have nothing to worry about. They'll be perfectly safe with me.
It's not them I'm worried about.
Jody, calm down. See, there's nothing to worry about. It's just...
Do you love Reed?
More than I've ever loved anyone.
Then you have nothing to worry about.